Hello guys, so for today's video we will tackle about indigenous knowledge systems. So what is indigenous knowledge? Indigenous knowledge is embedded in the daily life experiences of young children as they grow up. So ang indigenous knowledge is a tradition na ginatulo sa atong first teacher, which is sa atong parents, na ginatulo pud sa ilang parents sa unang panahon. Right. Embedded in the daily life experience. So naka-sit firmly na siya sa ilang panghuna-huna ba, nakita nila, na-experience nila sa ilang daily activities. So for example is atong parents is our first teacher, diba? So example ana, may yung parents na, education is very important to you nga makatabang siya in the future. Then, moto, ang bata pod, kita nga mga bata is maset pod siya sa atong nga kailangan jud nagkuhumanon ang pag-eskwela kay importante di siya in the future in the future nako puhon. So, kailangan jud nako mag-finish akong studies. So, muna ang indigenous na kanang nakuha nimo na experience nimo na kuan nimo sa imong daily life pa na ginatulo sa atong mga parents. So, another example is when your first teacher or your parents taught you be respectful to each other or be respectful sa mga tao sa imong palibot. And then, ayaw paghimuog ka ng mga bad things, you should be do the good things side. So ikaw pod nga bata na manigang yan anak di akong dapat buhaton muna akong buhaton kay mo may giingon sa ako ang parents sa akong mga first teachers. So syempre buhaton na sa bata kay mo may nakuanan niya na anuhan na knowledge pa na first discover the first so to man indigenous knowledge system na kanang mga sa unang panahon nga mga tradition na makuha pod sa mga bata, no, sa nagtubo pa. So dapat make sure pod na ang atong itudlo sa mga bata is a good indigenous, dili tong bad, para goods pod ilahang pag grow up sa ilang mga daily experience. Pero na-joy kasagaran nga mausab jud siya iyang mga learnings na jud masagol nga kabuang kay based sa iyang makuan kanang mga daily life experience para na sa eskwelahan na syempre eskwela man jud naman jud mga classmates nga mga next. I have here some example of indigenous knowledge that are taught and practices by the indigenous people, like kanang sa unang panahon kanang mga tribu-tribu ilang mga traditions na nga ginabuhat. So first, predicting weather conditions and seasons using knowledge and observing animals behavior in celestial body. Na mag-predict daw sila weather na observe sa animal behavior. Siguro kanang isog siguro ang hayop or something, pero wala na ko na research. So muna yung ingon niya mag-predict daw sila weather condition by observing animals. So mo po na ang na-practice nila sa mga una-unang mga ninuno po nila, mga practices po nila. So next is using herbal medicine. So mga herbs na mga halaman manilang himuon nilang tambal nga na-practice na po nila sa unang panahon. Next, preserving foods. Sa pag-preserve sa ilang pagkaon na para dili dayon madaot. So classifying plants and animals into families and groups based on cultural properties. Then preserving and selecting good seeds for planting. Using indigenous technology in daily lives. Then building local irrigation system. Classifying different types of soil for planting based on cultural properties. then producing wines and juices from tropical fruits, na tuba, ana, na magimog wine na kanang sa mga ubas, nasa grapes gani, abot ug na ba na sila sa unang panahon. Then, lastly, keeping the custom of growing plants and vegetable in the yard. So, muna ang mga practices na ginhimo sa mga indigenous people na ambot siguro hantud karon na pagyapon siguro na sa ilaha. But anyways, so mao lang to ang akong report all about indigenous knowledge. I hope nga namoy nakatunan gapay balag gamay lang. And that's all for today's. Bye-bye.
So, as for the continuation for the discussion, indigenous science is a part of indigenous knowledge system practiced by different groups of people and early civilizations. It includes areas of knowledge, expertise, practices, and representations that guide human societies in the innumerable interactions with the natural milieu, agriculture, medicine, naming and explaining natural phenomena, and strategies for coping with challenging environments. So it means that indigenous science is a part of indigenous knowledge system na ginapractice sa unang nga panahon by the early civilizations. Mga ginabuhat nila sa una is mga knowledge, expertise, practices, and so on nga based sa indigenous or mga kinaraan nga mga practices or culture. Next is there are some references or citations from different people who give their insights about indigenous science. So, according to Kahete 2004, indigenous science includes everything from the metaphysics to philosophy and the various practical technology practiced by indigenous people, both past and present. To Johnson 2005, indigenous beliefs and also develop desirable values that are relevant or consistent to scientific attitudes, motivating attitudes, cooperating attitudes, practical attitudes, and reflective attitudes. To Pawilen 2005, indigenous science knowledge has developed diverse structures and contents through the interplay between the society and the environment. Again, to Pawilen 2006, he developed a framework for understanding indigenous science. So, what this include in his framework is the uses of indigenous science, the guidance of indigenous science, and the composition of indigenous science. So, indigenous science process skills such as observing, comparing, classifying, measuring, problem solving, inferring, communicating, and predicting. Number 2 is indigenous science is guided by the culture and community values such as the land is the source of life. That is their culture way back then. Then the earth is revered as Mother Earth. All living and non-living are interconnected and interdependent from each other. Another is human beings are stewards of the true trustees of the land and other natural resources. Nature is a friend to human beings. Next, number 3, the composition of indigenous science is composed of traditional knowledge, practiced and valued by the people and communities such as ethnobiology, ethnomedicine, indigenous farming methods, and folk astronomy, or the kind of astronomy that only nag-observe lang sila sa mga movements sa heavenly bodies. So, lastly, indigenous science is important in the development of science and technology in the Philippines. Like in the ancient civilizations, indigenous science gave birth to the development of science and technology as a field and as a discipline. Indigenous science help people in understanding the natural environment and in coping with everyday life. So, dako ang tabang sa indigenous science nga idea sa pag-come up sa modern science and technology karon. Sa una, ang mga tao is nag-observe lang sa mga movement sa mga planets or unsa ang mga nasa surrounding nila. Kadto nga mga idea is kadto na siya ang hinahini na naga-craft ang idea sa science and technology by kalaunan kanang naga fast forward ang time, nagaka dako o nagakataas ang curiosity sa tao, maong daghan na sila mga na-discover just by observing their surrounding. Maong karon high-tech na kaayo ang science and technology. It means uh, dako na kay siya range kumpara sa una. Karon is daga na kay siya cope na mga ideas about science and technology. So mao siya ang importante kaayo na tanaw na to kung asa gagikan ang science and technology sa nagagikan siya sa indigenous science or the traditional idea of science based in culture and observation of the people in the past. So maora to ma'am among report about indigenous science. Thank you.